In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Supabase project and obtain your API credentials. Let's dive in and walk through each step so that you feel confident integrating Supabase with Lovable AI. First things first, you need to establish a Supabase project. If you haven't already created an account, it's as simple as visiting the Supabase website and following their registration process. Once you're set up and logged in, you can create a new project by providing some details like the project name, organization, and choosing the appropriate database region. After setting up your project, Supabase will generate an API URL and an API key for you, which you'll be using shortly. Next, our focus shifts to Lovable AI, where we'll integrate Supabase into this platform. Start by logging into your Lovable AI account. If you're not familiar with this step, simply head over to the Lovable AI website and sign in with your credentials. Once inside, take a moment to find the integration section. This is where all the magic happens, allowing Lovable AI to communicate seamlessly with various platforms, including Supabase. It's now time to input your Supabase credentials. Carefully enter the Supabase project URL and API key that were generated earlier into the corresponding fields in Lovable AI's integration section. Ensure that these details are accurate, as a small error here could prevent Lovable AI from accessing your Supabase project effectively. Precision is key, so double-check everything before moving on. Once you've got your credentials inputted, it's time to configure the settings to suit your project's needs within Lovable AI. Depending on your requirements, you might want to adjust how your tables are set up, modify authentication settings, or control real-time features. Whether it's validating user access, monitoring real-time data updates, or ensuring your tables are organized just right, these configurations tailor the connection to match your specific workflows and objectives. With everything set up, it's crucial to test the connection. Head back to Lovable AI and try querying or updating some data that flows through your Supabase integration. This step not only verifies the connection, but also assures you that data interactions between the two platforms are occurring as expected. If you encounter any issues, revisit the previous steps and ensure all settings are correctly applied. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a seamless integration between Supabase and Lovable AI. This integration should empower you to manage and analyze your data effortlessly, offering a host of possibilities for your projects. If you enjoyed this tutorial, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating.